Hey, hope you are doing fine. Welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have a different video. I want to share with you guys some of the apple cider vinegar brands which I've used and I can recommend. Some have different purposes. Some have been so good for my DIYs, cleaning, cooking. So let's just get straight into the video, guys. So the first one is Bragg, the organic apple cider vinegar. Most people knows about this Bragg. It's a bit expensive but so effective in everything. Let me start by mentioning the benefits of this apple cider vinegar, especially this one, the Bragg apple cider vinegar, which I've used. This is not my first bottle. In Kenya it costs more than 1,000 shillings. Yeah, that's equivalent to $10. In fact, they have even increased the cost. Before, this smaller one used to cost around 900 shillings, but now it's almost to 1,200 shillings, and this one is very small. This one is 473 mils, so it's on the higher side. But when it comes to its effectiveness, wow, it's so effective, guys, especially when you're doing your DIYs. For example, this one is the one which I can recommend, and it's so effective. But then you have to dilute it. You can also use it for those people who want to lose weight, and also for other health benefits. Just dilute it, mix in water and take it. It's so effective. It's also nice for cleaning and cooking, but when it comes to cleaning, guys, like, I wouldn't recommend you to use expensive apple cider vinegar for cleaning, whereas there are other brands which are not expensive and effective as well, which you can use for cleaning. So when it comes to cleaning, I'm going to show you another brand which is so good and it's not very expensive. Yeah, the second one is nigris. I hope I said the name correctly. An Italian vinegar, so effective, not very expensive. In Kenya it costs 900 shillings, so it's not effective. It's not expensive. So let's see, guys, like this one, so nice for your skin, for your body, for your cooking, for your salads, everything, for your smoothies. So nice. I would also recommend this nigris Italian vinegar. So nice, and it's not expensive. But as I said, when it comes to cleaning, just go for a cheaper one. There is no need of you using an expensive vinegar to clean. Use this one for your health, guys. This one, they recommend it for your daily diet. Yeah, and they even talk about how you're supposed to mix it. So this one is a very nice apple cider vinegar, apart from Bragg. So the third one, guys, which I'm gonna recommend is this one, Santa Maria organic apple cider vinegar. This is not expensive. It costs 700 shillings, $7. Yeah, this particular one, guys, for the skin, no, I used it and it's not good for the skin. It's certified organic raw apple, has mother in it. Use this one for your other things, but not for your skin. So let's get to the other one, and we have the American Garden. This vinegar is so good. This one is around 400 shillings, $4. Yeah, you can use this one for your cleaning and maybe for your veggies, for soaking your feet. Like, it removes all the dead cells. You can also use these other ones. This is a USA product still. Some of these ones you can also find them online. I use this one especially for cleaning. I found it so helpful. So last but not the least, this one is a normal vinegar. Yeah, I'm gonna put the image here. This one is a Kenyan brand, Zesta. Very nice for veggies, cleaning, but not for face. Okay, all these are so good. I'm not sure if, like, you can put this one in water and drink, but I know this one is so good for also cleaning. Like, if you don't want to use the expensive apple cider vinegar, then use this one for your cleaning, for your salads. They are so good. I'm gonna be inserting the images of each and everything. These are the apple cider vinegars which I've used, the brands which I've used, guys, and they are so effective. And it's always good to share with people. Let me know other brands of apple cider vinegar which guys you're using. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now. Much love to you all. Bye.